Imagine spending 4 years earning an engineering degree, only to discover that the degree itself is no longer enough to get hired. Hi, this is Abhishek here, and I am a software engineer by profession. During my time in the college when the placement started, we were mostly asked the basic questions and would land the job on the basis of that. But things are different now, and future is going to be entirely different. Companies will care far less about what degree you have and far more about what you can actually build. I have spent 20 odd years in the software industry, and I am going to tell you what you must do instead. Part 1. The skills revolution. For decades, a degree was the main signal of competence. If you have a degree from a good college, company assumed you have the skill as well. I landed the job at Patney Computers only on the basis of degree and basic computer science knowledge. But now things are different. Companies evaluate on the basis of real work and real projects. A student who has built multiple software tools and uploaded them to platforms like GitHub shows clear proof of ability. It's far more convincing than a line on a resume that simply says BTech. In other words, the world is shifting from credential-based hiring to skill-based hiring. Part 2. The rise of artificial intelligence. If I look at my day-to-day work, then usage of AI has increased tremendously. We are asked to use AI for better results and to get the job done quickly and for increased productivity as well. AI tools are changing how engineers work, and it's going to stay and increase. The future will be AI driven. So it's always good to equip ourselves with the right tool for growth. Tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot can already generate code, explain technical concepts, debug programs, accelerate development. Today, I don't write code. I use AI to generate code for me, and I use that code to get my work done. Companies are not impressed by engineers who only knows basic programming syntax. Make AI as your best friend and use it in your daily life. They are looking for engineers who can design systems, solve real problems, use AI tools intelligently. Part 3. The internet changed learning. Another major shift is that knowledge is no longer locked inside universities. That's true. During 2005, we would depend on notes and share materials to give the exams. But now the time has changed. Anyone with an internet connection can learn advanced topics through online courses, open source projects, global developer communities. This means that degree itself is no longer the only path to becoming skilled. Engineers today build expertise through self-learning and real-world practice. And I know this very well. One of my product owner is just a simple graduate, but he has excellent knowledge of the work that he is doing. Part 4. The portfolio economy. Every sincere engineer should have a digital portfolio. Instead of showing only academic certificates, they will show software applications they built, AI tools they created, contributions to open source projects, technical content they shared. Platforms like LinkedIn and YouTube are already becoming places where engineers showcase their thinking and expertise. In the future, your online body of work will matter more than your degree. Part 5. The engineers who will win. Successful engineers will focus on 3 things. First, in areas like software systems, data, or AI. Second, creating projects that solve actual problems. Third, using modern tools to move faster and create more value. Successful engineers will have degree as well as evidence of capability. An engineering degree will still have value. It provides structure, community, and foundational knowledge. But by itself, it will not guarantee success anymore. The future belongs to engineers who learn continuously, build constantly, and adapt to new technologies. Because in the next decade, the most important question will not be, what degree do you have? The real question will be, what can you create? If you want more content on engineering careers, AI skills, and future-proof learning strategies, make sure to subscribe and keep building your skills for the future.